Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this. Yeah, ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live for this. Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight from the mental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo, yeah, we got potential. Shoot a movie like I'm Denzel, running my route to the end zone. And they still can't find me, man, you know where to find me. I'm tryna get me a Grammy so I can dedicate it to my granny. Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. Yeah, I just turn my L's into W's. Yeah, I just told my sins. Yeah.
Okay, that was great. I really enjoyed that. So thank you, Jonah and Keaton. That was great. A little trap shooting. So now we're going back up top. Man, I don't know if we broke it, if we jammed it, or if they have to refill it, but look at her, she's just flipping that full off. Like, he has a shotgun in his hand, sis. Like, you don't want to piss that kid off because he's gonna remember that when he gets older. Just saying. Trap shooting, great, awesome. I feel like I didn't do too bad for my first time. Like, you know, I was tagging consistently. But yeah, now we're going up top. We're going up top. We're gonna shoot the Desert Eagle, the Arsenal, and what else did I bring? Oh, the AR-15, because Jonah hella likes that gun. I mean, who doesn't, right? That thing is awesome. So yeah, trap shooting was great. That was awesome. We're definitely gonna do more of this. So hopefully I got a little bit of footage for you guys. It's not gonna be nothing awesome. It's just gonna be like probably like a montage, right? So maybe you can see like Jonah tagging him, me tagging him, and Keaton tagging him. But yeah, let's get into it.
I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. Yeah, I just turn my L's into W's. Yeah, I just told my sins, yeah, I'm done with you. Yeah, stay in your lane, don't you pick and choose. I can't waste my time, I got a lot to lose. To the game that we all on, they was doubting us all along. Now we charting in Hong Kong, what competition, they all gone. Bless, stress, play the game like it's chess. We next, that's a check, over stripes, yeah, yeah. Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood?
I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Yeah. Nah, don't you go off now. Hey, yeah, I woke up this morning living my best life. If it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moment, cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest, cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting again.
But
oh my god, dude, look at my shot. Look at my grouping.
Dude, I actually hit the
Dude,
target.
look at my grouping.
I actually hit
Damn.
the target.
Iron sights in this bitch too. Look at this shit, bro. Look, I'm fucking on my shit.
I'm on my shit.
I'm on my fucking James Bourne, dude.
I need to get a new sight for the other rifle. That one's kind of rough.
In it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on. If I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right. That's right. Can't control it, but that's life. That's life. Yeah. Let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life, and they do it fast. But oh, I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way.
What's up, guys? So this is the outro. It's a couple days later. Jonah and Keaton, we hooked back up. They took me trap shooting. It was amazing. Never shot a shotgun before, which now I'm in love, and it's like, oh great, now I gotta get a shotgun. But yeah, this addiction's crazy. You gotta watch out. So yeah, this video's short, but I just wanted to upload it and share it just because I enjoy it. I like it. Working on trying to make the videos a little better, a little more entertaining. But just bear with me. It's a learning process. As I get better content, more things, learn how to edit a little better, things might be a little more entertaining. So I appreciate everyone. I appreciate you guys watching, commenting, liking, all that good stuff, and supporting the channel, man. Because this is just something that I want to do. You know, ever since I met Mike and Shane, and you know, was blessed with that. You know, I just was like, hey, just put some effort towards it. Just do it. Why not? So let's try to build a channel. So thank you again, guys, and shout out to them. And I talked to Shane recently, and we have a surprise coming from him, so we're working that out because car week's coming up, so I want to do a couple things with the C8. So stay tuned for that, you know. So thanks again. You know, stay humble, stay pushing, and just get it. Get out there and do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. All right, peace. Street Speed, Mike, shout out to him, dude. Shane Designs, love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you again.
And I'm talking to the king while I'm flipping through James, making sure my cardiac don't hard it. Mind your manners, Midwest flow, country grammar, out the slammer, way too free, and I rep my set. Young OG, loves my drug and IOD, prize my heel, my Achilles. Yeah.
Feel it in your chest.
Where'd you find this guy? He's like silly. Covered in the blood, you would think that was phase on Dracula.
They shoot in front of it, and then boom, look at, they got a third one like that, and they're down the trail.
On the day that he comes right back. Early bird, feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took or lessons I learned. Success gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me, on me. Tell me why they sleeping on me.